Hello there, now Jock here in Scotland, and how you doing? I'm just going to get this picture there, Rick, you know. Can you get the picture, Rick? You don't care whether you're supposed to stand up or sit down or down a wall. On the way, on the way, on the way. What you saying today? It's just one of the days, as usual here in Scotland, it's Guy Drakey. I got this bra patch made for my hat. You'll see it there. Is it there? Aye, there it's there. In memory of my son Bobby Redmond. He died in July 2008. I can't get a gravestone for him in America because his cowie wife wouldn't tell me where she buried him. Anyway, we'll not bother about him anyway, because even though his ashes or body or whatever's left is in America, his heart and soul's in Scotland. Oh, there's no fun in being a mixed up old man. The older I get, the more mixed up I am. The hard-hearted jury just laughed when I say it's watching the BBC that leads me astray. But my if I was a young man, I'd lead a bad life. I'd wear leather trousers and carry a knife. I'd find an old sock and I'd fill it with lead, and I'd bash some old immigrant over the top of his head. If I was a young man, how angry I'd be. I'd have all the newspapers write about me. I'd bury a body in some shady woods, and I'd tell all the world I've been misunderstood. So all ye delinquents, the gallant and gay, enjoy being juvenile now while ye may. Be mixed up and merry and fight when ye can, 'cause there's no fun in being a mixed up old man. Aye, there's no much fun when you get older, like, you know, but you think back to all the days you've had, you know, when you would wander about with your steely bits on to the dancing. Aye, they were the days. I remember me and my pals went to Edinburgh one night on a Saturday night. I had lived in the city for a while, you see, and I came back to the village, and they were all saying to me, "How did you get on in the village doing the city job?" And I said, "Oh, you want to see them all." They had the price of a night out on the soles of their shoes. There were loads of them. You were walking down the road and they were standing there with their red coats and their red dresses and their red handbags and their red shoes. And you knew what they were offering you. So they says to me, well, we're going there to Edinburgh. Are we going to go there? I says, aye, we'll go there if you want. So we went there one Saturday night. So we got our steel miners bits on, and we went away to Edinburgh. And we went into Rose Street in Edinburgh, which is famous for the wee bit hunky-dory. So we went along the road, and here we come to this wee pub with the low windows. And we went in, and we goes, 5 pints of heavy beer there, cock. So he was serving up the pints, and I heard them on the telephone about 2 minutes later. "Hello, is that the constable at Gayfield Park police station? I was wondering if they could look into the Rose and Crown tonight, because I think there could be trouble. There's a lot of strange people in." I said to myself, my God, what a place. We've only been in here 2 or 3 minutes and they're already phoning the police. Well, within an hour the place started to get full. And I says to my pal, I says, here it's all men that's in this pub, sir, there no women. and they're all jam-packed against the bar, and look at them, they're all drinking sherry and glasses of wine. Here, you don't think this is one of the pubs that they have in Edinburgh, is it? And their youngest of the bunch here was sitting there looking along at the wee jug bar, winking and smiling in a way, you know. I says, "What are you winking at, cock?" He says, that bit of stuff there in the jug bar. I says, "That's no bit of stuff. If that's a bit of stuff, she's got the 5 o'clock rings on her face. She's no shaved tonight." And he looked at me and says, "Is that no a woman?" I says, "God, no." I says, "You can see from here. Where you ever seen a woman with a moustache?" Oh, Jings. Then the next thing was the barman come here and he goes, "Oh, hello there. I think you boys are in the wrong pub. Don't you think it's about time you were leaving before things get a little bit, oh, you're unruly?" He says, "Aye, we'll just go away as soon as we get the pint here." Just then, there was this bloke came walking here, and he goes, "Excuse me, can I get into the bar?" I says, "Look, there's quite a room down here at the other end of the bar." "Ah, but I would like to get in between you chaps." I says, "Nah, I think you better go away, man. I'm not wanting to start dancing with my steel toe caps the now." Aye, so we left. My God, I'll tell you, that put the fear of death into the boys. They couldn't wait to get back on the train. And all they kept saying was, "Aye, you can stuff the city, boy. It's no safe out there. You meet all kinds of strange, queer folk. Right then, my boy, now, take your time with your breakfast, dinna gulp it down." God, that coffee, it's a good job I'm not in the woodbine. Well, toodaloo the new, ein kiva, and cheerio.